Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, come back again with me in my video. Then how are you guys? And then how you're fasting in this Ramadan? I hope you're all is always in a good condition, always healthy. Then your fasting can be done until the last month of this Ramadan fluently, okay, without any problems. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Novan Rafi'i and I am from E-Class. And then in this video I will explain to you or share to you about the deletion and similitude. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video and you can understand the material that I already shared to you. I want to share to you. Okay, let's start from the first material, that is deletion. Okay, deletion from the name is based from the word delete. Okay, we can know the meaning of delete is erase or omitting something. Okay, so deletion is almost the same like a delete. Okay, the explanation is, in linguistics, an elision or deletion is the omission of one or more sounds, such as a vowel, a consonant, or whole syllable in a word or phrase. And the word elision is frequently used in linguistic description of living language, and deletion is often used in historical linguistics for a historical sound change. Okay. The elision is a normal speech phenomenon and come naturally to a native speaker of the language. Then there is a example. I will give you an example. The deletion first, or deletion. There is a construction which the example is like cannot become can. Okay, cannot become can. And then dropping of word, or we can say syncope, like Mississippi become Mississippi, and then history become history, and then mathematics become mathematics. So we can say deletion is when a sound such as stressless syllable or a weak consonant is not pronounced. So the purpose of deletion is to make the words shorter, okay, and make the word is easy to pronounce, okay, easy to say. The person who named last is say that the deletion is there are three types. The first is apaeresis, okay, apaeresis, and then the second is syncope, and then the third or the last is apocope. Okay, let's continue to the deletion rule. The rule of deletion. The rule is simple, yes. When the unstressed vowel deletion is fairly common in fast speech and can be confusing to non-native listener in ESL context, who often hear words long before they need to spell them. Okay. Then the next rules is some speakers of English delete the final R words like dinner and the medial E in the family is the example, okay. and then the final B on some words is deleted after an but remains when there is a following syllable, like the first is cram. Okay, so the b sound is omitted or not pronounced, become cram. But when the following syllable become crumble, the b sound is appear again. Okay, and then the second one is bomb, not bomb. The b sound is omitted, become bomb, and then the bombard, the b sound is appeared again. Okay, so let's continue to the type of deletion. The first is linking the drop t. Okay, sorry, the drop t is two common type of drop t. The first is deleting t between consonants. Okay, I already show the picture in here in my PowerPoint. So the linking is delete the t when the linking consonant plus t into a consonant. Like the example, the word must be become must be. So the t sound is omit. Not must be, but must be. Okay. Another example like in here, first, last, best, interest, and rest. When the word is alone, there is no following syllable, the t sound is still pronounced, but when this word is followed by another word, the t sound is omit, like the first day, and then left my, and then best friends. Okay, interest in. Okay, rest during. So the t sound is omit. Then the second one is deleting t between nc and a vowel sound. Okay, the linking is delete the t sound when linking nc into a vowel, like went away. So if there is a mix, become went away. The t sound is omit, went away. Another example is like percent, apartment, but when that word is followed by another words, become percent of. So the t sound is omit, not pronounced. Then apartment in. Okay, like that. Then the second type is deletion linking the drop d. The d sound. I mean the d sound. Okay. The linking is delete the d sound when the linking nd into a consonant. Like example, and then. So the d sound is blend with the n sound. Okay, and then. Like another example is hand, stand, weekend. But when it's followed by another word, become like example, hand me, then stand back. Okay, stand back. So the sound is omit, not pronounced. Okay, let's continue to the second materials. There is a similitude. Similitude is based from the similar word similar. It means it's same with something. Okay, similitude is almost, the meaning is almost same with the similar. Okay, similitude is happen in connected speech that in a place where one would expect to hear one of the normal sounds of a language. Another sound rather like it, but partaking some characteristic of an adjoining sound and is actually employed or is the use of certain variety of a sound at the present time. Okay. Similitude is when the sound is similar, when the pronunciation is similar. I think like that, okay? Because the example, okay, let's continue the example to make easier understand. Okay, the example, the first is ordinary ke, like in the curtain. The word is C, but the pronunciation is K. Okay, not certain but curtain. Then the second frontal articulation of ke can be seen as such word like keep. Keep. Let's the articulation frontal articulation. So the word is same like the pronounced sound. Okay, then the Baker articulation like in the corner. Okay, another example of similitude is the K sound is separate into two. The first is ordinary ke, like in the curtain, and then the second is varieties ke, in a key. And then next example is ordinary n. It's an alveolar sound, but in month is densely like the sound following, like when the n sound is in a month is densely like the sound. Okay, this show the similitude with the sound. Okay. Then a labiodental nasal in comfort is conditioned by following f sound. This show the similitude is with the or depend on the f sound. Okay, and then the third one or the last is followed by the dark the dark last sound. Okay, I'm sorry, last sound in result. Okay, this modified is so similitude that the normal one. Okay, result. Okay, I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Leave a comment in the section below to make me become better and better in the next video. Okay, leave in the comment below. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.